Hi guys, welcome. It's Alan here, JMac Fitness. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time. If you've been here before, thanks again for supporting the channel. Before we go into it, make sure you subscribe and like and ding the bell. You'll get any notifications, because it will help me push this channel further. Right, what we're going to do today is a 15-minute total body workout that will burn fat and get you fit. That's all you can do. Do it 2 to 3 times a week. Whatever you feel that you're short on time, you can do it after a workout, before a workout, just add it on to another workout, whatever you want. But everything will be in this workout that you need, So it's going to be 8 exercises. You're going to do 30 seconds on each and 5 seconds rest. And then with 3 rounds, At the end of each round, you'll have a 40-second break. So no real excuses here. Before you go in, do me warm up, which is in the description below. And at the end, cool down, and then stay till the end of the channel, watch, and you can check all my links, the videos, extra stuff that you will see for tons of different types of workouts. So thanks again for supporting us, and approximately 10 seconds. Five seconds. First one is back jacks. So hands behind, like so. Keep going. Core engaged. Halfway there. Keep going. 30 seconds, that's all. Modify this and go here to there, So no excuses, guys. And relax, right? We're just going to get a 5 seconds rest and then go straight into the squat. Just enough to get us ready. Up and down. Knees don't go past the toes, chest is out. Up and down we go. Stick on your own music in the background, guys, if you want. Or you can just look at me and follow me. No problem. Wherever you feel, Just keep going. As I said, you'll hit everything here in 15 minutes. Make sure you have a good warm up, have water, a hand, towel, and enjoy. Okay, side to side tap, so we're just coming across and back. Okay, and the next one. Let's go. There we go. Keep going. Head up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Push now. That's it. Push. Nice and low on each squat. Looking up to the front. Keep it going. Come on, keep going. 5 seconds. Let's go. Push it out. Last few. Right, next one will be press up mountain climber. So do 1 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna keep that heart rate right up, all the way down on the ground if you want it. 2, 3 to do it. You can go modified as well. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, and go. 2, 3. Okay, rest 5 seconds. Next, fast feet punch. And I get the heart rate right up in this. Tap. Make sure your shoulders twist into them punches if you want to really get it in. Keep going. We're getting to them, guys. That's it. Push, 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 push. Come on, keep going. Okay. Right, lunge around the world. So it's a front lunge, a rear lunge, a side lunge. Okay? So right leg, front lunge to the rear and then to side. That's it. So we go again. Front, rear and side. Okay, I'll do it to the front, rear and side. We change legs, front, rear and side. Yeah, get them all done. Okay, 2-step dash, guys. So just go forward, drop and back. Drop, 1, 2, drop and back. Okay, keep going. Squat each time, head is up, pushing it out. Nice and fast if you can to the dash, and it's back. The dash, and it's back. Dash, and it's back. Keep going. Dash, and it's back. And rest. Okay, last one on this round. Dive bomber press. So start off in the pike position, come down all the way, head comes up, pause on the top, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, keep going. Halfway. 4. You can modify this by this, and then back. 5 and 6. Excellent stuff. Okay, now we're going to take a break. So we've got 5 seconds break so far, 30 seconds. Make sure you take a drop of water, and we're going to do the same again. If you can, put it in a little bit harder. Try to go a little bit further. This is the middle round. So we're halfway there now, guys. And then we'll be getting straight into it. And the first one we'll be doing is a back jack. So thanks for sticking with me, and get ready. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds and then we're gone. Back jack, guys. So we're going to increase the intensity here. We're going to really push it up, yeah? Here we go. 1, 2. Push it out. Make sure your hands are behind the head, shoulder blades coming together. I'm going to keep running and push it. Core is engaged throughout. And we'll really push it out on this side. Excellent stuff. Okay, 5 seconds squat. I'm going to go push it really out on this way. Nice and low each time. Nice deep squat. Knees don't go past the toes. Rolling back on the heels, chest is out. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Really no excuse, guys, this. 15 minutes. There is nothing. It's really nothing. Do it anywhere. Do it on your lunch break. Just keep going. Okay, side to side taps. I'm going to push it out on this. Get the heart rate right up. And tap. That's it. Keep going. That's it, push. And push, keep going. And push. Push it out. No mess. 2, 1. Woo! Excellent stuff. Right, press up, mountain climber. So 1, and there we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Working the core here as well. I'm still active. The whole body getting worked all the time, guys. Keep going. 2, 3. 2, 3. That's it. 2, 3. Keep going. Excellent. Okay, fast feet points, push it out. Here we go. No messing. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Excellent stuff. Loving it. Keep going. Woo! Rest. Lunge around the world. I'll do it in the front this time, guys. So drop, and then back, and then side, and then come back. Then change legs. Drop, and then rear lunge, and then side, and then come back around. And then drop, and then rear lunge, and then side, and then back around, and then front, back, and side. So they're all getting worked. And back, here we go again. Front, back, and side. Right, cheers. 2-step dash. Here we go. Nice and fast. That's it. And back. And back. And back. Go. Here we go. There. And there we go. Come on. There. And back. Keep going. Nice and low each time. Fast. Fast. And fast. And fast. Keep going. And fast. Push it out. Come on. Oh, excellent stuff. Right. Last one on this round. Dive bomber press. Start in the pike position. Bring the nose nearly down to the ground, all the way up and back. Oh, push it out. Shoulders getting worked here. Chest getting worked. Core is getting worked. Excellent exercise. No excuse. Keep going. Oh, push it out. Oh. Right, that's it, guys. For the second round, take a drop of water, walk around, get ready, and then we've one round left. So I want 100% effort in this one. Everything you have. So you're getting a good break on this, unusual for me, but my whole point is that every round is 100%, yeah? So there's no real fight, there's no real hiding on this one, yeah? So really put it in for us here, guys. Let's go. Here we go. Boom. Let's go, punch it out. I'm going early. Mad to go now. Keep going. Keep going, push it out. Come on. Really gonna put it in now. Don't worry about the rest. Just get it in. Last round. Again, if you're coming back to fitness, this is a nice little add-on. So, really try. Give it everything. Okay, rest squats now, guys. Here we go. All the way down. Nice deep squat. All the way down. Push it out. No move. No excuse. Keep going. All you're doing is sitting up and sitting down. Make sure your knees don't go past. Think about your form all the time. That's really important. And it's how you will improve at this all the time. Okay, side to side tap. Here we go. And over across. And back. And over. And back. Come on. Oh, come on. Really push. Really gonna get the heart rate up here because you're going up and down all the time. And you're moving. And you're getting a squat in as well as a cardio move. So really hits everything that we need to. And rest. Okay, press up mountain climber. 1 and 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 2, 3. 2, 3. Come on, keep going. Last round. Come on. 3. 2, 3. That's it. 2, 3. That's it. 2, 3. Right. Fast feet punch, come on. That's it, push it out on this. Come on. Keep going. Hit the knees high. On it. Keep going. Everything you have. Oh, right. That's it. Everything. Keep going, come on. Come on. Punch it out. Halfway there. This is last round. No excuse, guys. Last round. Okay, lunge around the world. In front, and then back, and then side, and then change. Front, back, and side, and then change. Left leg, front, back, and then side, and then change. Front, back, change, and back. Come on. Front, back, and change. Excellent. Okay, 2-step dash. Nearly there, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, drop. And 1, 2, back. That's it. 1, 2, back against it. 1, 2, drop. That's it, keep going. That's it. Back. Come on. No. That's it. That's it, keep going. That's it. That's it, push. And okay, dive bomber press, last one. Well done, guys. Okay, here we go. Nearly there. Keep going. And well done. Okay guys, that's 15 minutes. Body weight, absolutely no excuse. And that's it, you're done. Done for the day. As I said, anywhere, small space, this is ideal. Apartment, flat, wherever, out in your garden, your yard, you will get a really good workout. So make sure you do a cool down. Make sure you please subscribe and like. You can follow our other short videos, long videos, beginner videos, or high intensity ones if that's what you want up here. And subscribe and like, and thanks very much for partaking in this workout. Yes.